pin. Ay, ang itaod.
Ano, tanggalon ko man eh.
Picturean sa kanako doy.
Ito, background sa barko. Ano mo?
Please stand for the singing of the national anthem.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of National Defense, General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo, Quezon City. General Orders Number 1045 dated 11 May 2026. Ad interim appointment pursuant to Number 57. Professor General Staff Corps Reserve is appointed ad interim to the rank of Colonel effective 30 April 2026. By order of the Secretary of National Defense, Official Romeo S. Browner Jr., General, Philippine Army, Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines. Signed, Danilo A. Estaniero, Brigadier General, Philippine Army. Ikaw muna po.
Ikaw muna, ang big sponsor mo.
Sir. Ilalagay ko ito, sir. Okay.
Big sponsor.
Ako na, sir. The former and the present of this yes, sir.
Pursuant to General Orders Number 107, 674, 818, 969, 1328, and 1699. Who is Browner Jr., General, Philippine Army, Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines. Signed, Bernardo R. Cortes Jr., Brigadier General, Philippine Army, the Adjutant General.
May we respectfully invite our presiding officer to don the ranks. And we also invite our dependents or guests of the honoree to come forward for the picture taking. Or dependents of the honoree.
Na pag-realize ko siya sa law school.
The following individuals are commissioned in the Reserve Force, Armed Forces of the Philippines, with their respective ranks in the Technical and Administrative Service, Reserve, and assigned AEP serial numbers. Major Merlito L. Abrera, Officer DAS 162744, Dental Service Reserve. Captain Denise Christine C. Lim, Officer DAS 162634, Judge Advocate General Service Reserve. Captain Helen B. Caberto, Officer DAS 162668, Medical Administrative Corps Reserve. Captain Tyron M. Pancho, Officer DAS 162660, Chaplain Service Reserve. Second Lieutenant Bruno Y. Delmar Jr., Officer DAS 162652, Nurse Corps Reserve. By order of the Secretary of National Defense, Official Romeo S. Browner Jr., General, Philippine Army. Signed, Danilo E. Estraniero, Brigadier General, Philippine Army, the Adjutant General.
We request again our presiding officer to do the ranks. We also invite the dependents or guests of the honoree to come forward. We request the dependents or guests of the honoree to come forward.
Headquarters, Philippine Army, Fort Andres, Bonifacio, Taguig City. Special Orders number 399 and 401, dated 05. Technical Sergeant Arnel L. Marcon, 832340, Artillery, Philippine Army. By command of Lieutenant General Navarrete, Official Christopher C. Tampos, Major General, Philippine Army, Chief of Staff. Signed, Jonas P. Templo, Colonel, General Staff Corps, Infantry, Philippine Army, the Adjutant, Philippine Army.
We request our presiding officer to don the ranks, and we also invite the dependents or guests of the honoree to come forward.
Baka magkamali mo invite doon.
and operations officers of UEM.
Our presiding officer hails from Vigan City, Ilocos Sur, and is a distinguished member of the Philippine Military Academy Tanggaw-Tiwa class of 1992. He assumed command as the 27th Commander of the Armed Forces of the Philippines Reserve Command, AFRESCOM, on 14 August 2024.
Yung nilatag din ng Department of National Defense, which is basically lays down the foundation of our development and security development.
Wings spread wide, it embodies strength, courage, vigilant and steadfast, dedication of the armed forces of the Philippines in protecting the nation. At its center is the emblem of the Field and Liaison Office, Eastern Mindanao, representing unity, operational readiness, and the vital contribution of the AFP Reserve Force to the national defense and nation building.
Thank you.
So let us give one round of applause to our officer. Sir, we'll have
Ang layo talaga.
Mali.